Oh, hey folks, what's up? Bridgie the Elf here, senior toy maker at Santa's Workshop. So, I hear you want the inside scoop on what toys are gonna be hot this year? Well, let me tell you, all the high-tech stuff sure is changing the game for us toy makers. It's making things way more complicated. I mean, everything now is packed with motion and touch sensors. Some even answer to voice commands. Just check out Zoomer, the playful pup. Roll over. Oh, there you go. Good boy, good boy. Do you have to go pee? And then there's FURREAL Ricky, the trick-loving pup. Now, as his name suggests, he does do tricks. Get it! You can feed him, and he poops out the treats. You know, robots may be getting more advanced, but trust me, a pooping toy never goes out of style. There's a whole other category of smaller tech pet creatures. Now, to care for them, you have to study up on their color codes for their eyes and memorize all these different action combos. Now, I'm sure you've heard of HATCHIMALS. Well, these mystery toys are still hot, and the new ones are these babies you have to help hatch out of their eggs to find out the gender. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Aw, it's a more complicated Furby. And I do mean complicated. Just look at this list of things you have to study to know how to raise a little fur ball. Okay, so orange eyes mean you're gassy. This is vital information. Purple eyes mean you're hungry. Oh, I have to feed you now? Okay, well here, have some of this. There you go. There you go. The success of HATCHIMALS has given birth to all sorts of other fuzzy things with sensors and eye-light codes and secret combo reactions to, of course, share with your friends. So with the Gleamers, if you press and hold the tail button while hitting the nose 3 times, it activates 4th of July mode. Obvious, right? And remember the fingerlings trend last year? Well, there's more now, and they're a little scary. You have to know the right moves to train the prehistoric beasts to be friendly or nice. Now, if you want a real dinosaur to train, check out this clever girl. Alpha Training Blue. She's got everything a kid wants to pretend they are a Jurassic World Velociraptor trainer, because you have to do certain combo moves with the motion sensor clicker to level up your relationship. And you can control it like a puppet. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you want something bigger? Oh, we can go bigger. Hey, bring in Scout. We're gonna need the help of our elf intern for this one. This is the first Kid Trax RIDEAMALS. It's a country-loving pony named Scout. It's like a Power Wheels Jeep merged with a Disney animatronic robot. This 70-pound pony has fully motorized eyes, ears, and head, and of course, wheels on the feet to ride it around.
That was fast.
There are 100 sounds and movements. There's a rechargeable 12-volt battery, and there are 2 forward speeds, 1 backward speed, and it can go up to 4 miles an hour. Scout is smart to know when you feed it treats and when you brush its hair. Now, ponies are fun, but we elves know the importance of making toys that teach kids good science and technology skills. So I figure if you're gonna make a STEM toy, why not make one tied to superheroes? The Little Bits Marvel Avengers Hero Kit teaches kids to program their own super-powered gauntlet to fight with the Avengers. Get creative to make it respond with custom lights and sounds, depending on the powers you want to engage. It tracks motion and light, and there are 18 different activities you can follow with an app. But sometimes you can't go wrong with a classic. If you love Hot Wheels, there's a car that puts a new twist on the racetrack. The Zoom In Edition car costs only $1, but it is designed specifically so you can snap in a cube-shaped GoPro Hero Session camera sold separately. You'll need to give it some momentum downhill to give it speed because it won't work with launchers. But when the GoPro hitches a ride with your Hot Wheels, you can capture video of fast-flying stunts from the driver's seat. Now that's how tech puts a new spin on playtime. I better clean this stuff up before Santa gets back. Excuse me.